welcome to 1CW Question with your host Vince VE6LK. Today, my very special guest is Brian Manley, Kilo 3 Echo Sierra. Now, Brian and I met at Hamvention in 2023. We had a great time together. And Brian is an absolute CW enthusiast. He's currently working his way through CW Innovations. And Brian has some great tips. So this is tip number 2. Brian, what's your best tip number 2 for a new CW operator?
Well, once you've learned the code, once you've learned your letters and your numbers, and hopefully you've learned your call sign, get on the air. You absolutely need to get on the air. The CW operators out there are very welcoming and very supportive, but once you get on the air, you start to learn much more quickly. The other thing is you get rewarded for it. In my experience, I was a POTA enthusiast. And POTA is a very simple exchange. You can collect most of the information from the spotting page before you ever touch your key. But use that, or use SOTA, or use the Straight Key Century Club as an opportunity to get on the air with a very defined exchange. And once you start to do that, your code copy and sending abilities will take off.
Absolutely brilliant. Well, Brian, thank you so much for being part of this project. 73 Ham Smarter.
Thanks, Vince. Take care.